Wrote it slow like a marble in my mouth, cold or heavy. You like me better in fragments. Highlight real tight, smile, low volume. I can shrink on command, watch. Snap, waves, voice, splits, lips glass for forgiveness. Turn trauma to drama to glamorous business list. Fitness for heartbreak, cardio craving, saving my pride in the lace front case. And my electric, eclectic, magnetic. Then why I panic when the typing dots vanish? Why my posts go manic off digital static? Why I drive text like legal affidavits? Cross-examine love like a light on the stand. Babe and D, catch, hook, line, shine. Divine design, prime time. Lie, yeah, you chase validation like it owes you rent. Bend till you splinter, then call it content. He said you intense, you said you meant. Same syllables, different symptoms. If I am difficult, hold me anyway. If I get loud, do not look away. If I spill over, let me stay. Do not laugh away, halfway, half say. Say less when I need more. You love the heat, but you hate the burn. Take my turn, then you adjourn. Learn my body, skip my mind. Sign your name, but read no signs. Clack back, Snapchat, clap to perfection. Micro rejection, macro obsession. I overcorrect in every direction. Call it connection. I start fights just to test the floor. If you stay, I ask for more. If you go, I call it fate. If you stay too long, I suffocate. I do not need you. I need you to need me. Unlovable or allergic to lukewarm love. You set me out of love. Mirror crack, but it still reflects. I flex in the fracture, pose in the wreck. Call me a lot, I lot you not. You want me hot, but never complex. See all of me, keep all of me, or leave all of me. I could be easy, small, silent. I could be easy, small, silent.